Hello everyone. In today's point, we are going to discuss the relation between the molar mass and density after this Avogadro's law. Because for that purpose, we have to see that Avogadro's relation also. Now see, in that, if we consider according to Avogadro's law, what is the equation? According to Avogadro's law. According to Avogadro's law. Here, we are getting the equation that is the volume directly proportional to number of moles, or if we are removing that proportionality sign, we can write that V is equal to K4 into N. Previously also we have used K1, K2, K3 and now it's the K4. So this is the equation number 1. As we know that number of moles formula, number of moles. So what is the formula? N is equal to mass upon molar mass. Formula of the number of moles, that is the mass upon molar mass. By using the symbol, we can write this formula like that. N is equal to N by capital M. So this is the equation 2. Now we are going to put this equation 2 into 1. So put equation 2 in 1. So what will be the formula? Now see, V is equal to K4 into M by capital M. So this is the equation number 3. Now we are going to just modify this formula, that is the formula number or equation number 3. So after that we will get that M is equal to, we are shifting M to the left side. So what will be there? K4 into M by V. This is the equation number 4. Now, as we know that density is equal to mass upon volume. So, in this way, instead of that mass upon volume, we are going to put the density. So, put equation 5 in 4. So, we will get molar mass is equal to K4 into D. So from this equation, K4 is the constant term. So here we can write that M means molar mass is directly proportional to density. So finally we have concluded that we can say that molar mass is directly proportional to density. Hope so everyone understood that relation between molar mass and density. Thank you all of you.